If you've ever found yourself in the middle of mowing a lawn or on an ATV ride and your tire bead pops, it can be super frustrating. With a little bit of know-how, this is a simple fix. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process to rebead your tire using a simple and effective technique. Let's jump right in. So I've got a tire on my ZTR mower which often loses its bead from either hitting a tree root, curb, or parking it too rough in the garage. So we're going to fix this real quick. If I can do this with one hand while holding a camera, I'm sure you can manage. This is why the camera footage is shoddy. Feel free to roast me in the comments. To rebead the tire, it's best to leave the rim mounted if you can to help hold the wheel for you. I'm in the luxury of my garage which has this handy winch, so I'm going to use it to lift the mower off the ground and make this easy. If not, you'll want to jack it up or prop it up on a log, rock, or whatever you have handy. Next, you'll need a tie-down strap. We're going to use this tie-down strap to tighten down the center of the tire. Tightening down the center of the tire will push the tire edges towards the rim, sealing it off, which will allow you to reinflate the tire. Without any tire pressure, you cannot inflate the tire as the air just simply escapes out from the gap between the tire and the rim. You will position the strap directly in the center of the tire, adjust, and then tighten down. You'll need to tighten it down until the pressure on the center of the tire closes the gap between the tire and the rim. Then you simply hit it with an air compressor to rebead the tire and inflate it. You don't want to overinflate the tire or fill it all the way just yet, just enough to rebead it where it holds air. The reason is the tie-down strap will be super tight after it holds air and hard to remove. Be careful when releasing the tie-down strap because there will be a great deal of tension that can quickly snap back. This can pinch you or bust your knuckles or worse, so keep that in mind. Then you will just need to remove the strap and fill to the appropriate pressure. The same technique can be done using a section of rope or a sturdy stick or pole by wrapping and twisting the rope to tighten the center. This will create the needed tension in the center of the tire. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or other content you'd like to see, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.